Get ready to ride the speed rails. Here are the world's fastest trains that break records and redefine travel. Number 5. Shinkansen, E5, Japan. Top speed 320 km. Atohad Pilatus ME. Sleek, punctual, and a technological marvel, connecting Japan's major cities with lightning speed. Number 4. CR400 Fuxing, China. Top speed 350 km. Atohad 217 mph. China's fastest operational train combines incredible speed with modern design and efficiency. Number 3. TGV POS, France. Top speed 320 km. Atohad 200 mph. French high-speed rail legend, known for speed, reliability, and world-leading achievements. Number 2. AGV Italo, Italy. Top speed 360 km. Atohad 220. Italian speed with style combines cutting-edge engineering with sleek aerodynamic design. Number 1. Maglev L0 Series, Japan. Top speed 603 kilometers per hour, 375 miles per hour. World's fastest train by far. Magnetic levitation technology makes it glide above the rails silently at record-breaking speed. Which train would you ride if you could? Comment below. Subscribe for more incredible speed visuals.